Hello everyone, here is the new issue of product installation instructions. Today we would like to introduce a compression lock with handle. This is the detailed picture of this lock. When you receive our lock, the following parts will be included: rubber pad, main body, 3 nuts, 3 washers, and a latch. Let's see how it will work. After checking the drawing, for the rotation, we can see the details of the lock. Then take it apart. During the installation, we use a transparent acrylic plate to act as a door plate, and then the part step by step in order to install. After installation, when we rotate the handle counterclockwise 180 degrees, the lock will be locked. After locking, we then rotate the handle clockwise. It will be opened. Handles can be custom powder coated. Back. All of our products are available in fixed pitch, mounting and adjustable pitch mounting options to accommodate different door thicknesses. The T-handle styles are available with and without padlock protection. L-shaped handle to specifications can be selected: lock cylinder locking and non-locking. For wing handle, 2 sizes of cutout can be made: 20 mm and 13.5 mm. Support customization of various sizes and handle appearance. You can find our products on our official website or in our catalog by searching for C8-1564. If you have any questions about our products, you can visit our website www.FORND.com or send an email to info@FORND.com. We look forward to providing you with valuable services.